Welcome students. So our today's topic of class 12th computer science is functions using libraries, and which library is mentioned in your syllabus. There are two libraries given in your syllabus. One is mathematical related with mathematical function, and another is related with string function. First, I will brief here only mathematical functions. Means we will be using such library in which all the mathematical functions are given. So what will be the name of that? What should be the name of that library or module? If it contains mathematical function, it should be relevant with it. So its name is math module, or you can say it is a math library. So why you require math module? Math module you can use for calculations, such as if you want to find out sine or cos value of any angle, and you can say if you want to calculate power, if you want to calculate square root, then for that there are already built-in functions available there, which is just giving you answer by saying. So if we want to use math module, then what should I do here? We will open our idle screen, and you need not to install for any specific command. For example, for numpy we have did pip install numpy, for pandas we did pip install pandas, but for math module it is already available in your Python shell. You do not need to specially install it. It is already present in it. You should just write to import the math module. You can say import math as m, or you can only say import math also. For example, if I want to calculate square root of any value, then I will say now m.sqrt. Sqrt is a function for calculating square root of any value. So if I want to calculate the square root of 49, then I am writing here m.sqrt 49. It is giving 7.0. As in the same way, if I want to calculate for 36, I am giving here. So sqrt is a function that is available in a math module, and math module is already present in your Python shell. In this way, we have learned our one function, one mathematical function, that was sqrt or square root. Our next function that is present in math module is power. For power function, there is a keyword POW. I have written here m.pow 2,3. 2,3 means it has given to you 2 raised to power 3. 2 raised to power 3 means 8. In the same way, if I want to find out 3 raised to power 3, then what should be? 3 raised to power 3 equals to 27. So for that you should say 3,3. So this is our second function that we have done of math module. POW is the function, and for using it you have passed two arguments. One a you can say, another is b, and it is giving the answer a raised to power b. So our next function is ceil function. Ceil function, it will return the smallest integer that is greater than or equal to x. Means if I say here 3.4, it is working like a round off function. Means what it gives? It is giving 4. Means it is returning the smallest integer that is greater than or equal to the given value. Means this function should return a smallest integer that is greater than or equal to the given value। जो हमने वैल्यू दी है सील फंक्शन के ब्रैकेट में, सील फंक्शन ने आंसर क्या देना है, या तो उससे स्मॉलेस्ट इंटीजर या फिर उसके इक्वल, सॉरी या तो उसके ग्रेटर देन या फिर उसके इक्वल। सो 3.4 से ग्रेटर देन इंटीजर इज 4, completely 4, so it is giving 4 here। Further, if you say m dot seal and in bracket 5.6, then what is happening here? It is giving 6 here, means 5 से ज्यादा स्मॉलेस्ट इंटीजर कौन सा है, 6 ही है। If you say m dot seal only 6, तो 6 से ज्यादा स्मॉलेस्ट इंटीजर क्या है, 6 ही है। ओके, इफ यू से 6.1 देन इट विल गिव 7। सो इट वाज द फंक्शन ऑफ seal function, or you can say it is the use of seal function। Next example of our function is sine function। So if you want to find the sine of anything, any value in radians, what is you should write it here, m dot sine, and if I say 3 here, then it is giving you this answer, and this answer is in radians, means this function what it is doing, this function returns the sine of x, for example, if I say x is the given value, okay, given value, it is giving sine of the given value in radians। So in the same way, our next function is tangent, tan function। For using that, m dot tan, tan, and if I say here 3, then it is giving its tangent in radians। So this is also returning the value in radians, but the value is of sine, not the value is of tangent, not sine, means the difference between here is returns the tangent of given value in radians। And there is one more function that is I'm not saying that is a part of math function, that is a help function। You can use help function also if you want to ask anything about any function। For example, if I want to ask help about m dot cos function, if I want to ask it, then I can write it here, it is giving help about cosecant function, cosine function, or you can also write it by saying print help m dot cos, cosine value। This function is used to find the cosine of the given value। So it is also mentioning here that this function return the cosine of x। So in the same way, you can find help for any other functions also। So in today's topic, we have seen some functions of math module. One was SQRT, and second was power function, and third was sine, and then we have seen tangent function for tan, and we have seen one help function also for finding the help related with any function। And there is one more function that is not under math module, you can use dir also. Dir means directory. So for explaining dir stands for directly. I have again opened the idle screen by closing it once. So if I say here dir and in small bracket math is a module. So by saying, okay, the reason behind it, we have not imported, means we have not used import math here. Now I can use dir math. So in this function, what is happening? Dir is used to give you the names of all that is defined inside the module. Means dir function is describing here all those attributes or all those functions which are already present in the math module. मैथ मॉड्यूल में कितने फंक्शन, कितने एट्रीब्यूट या कितने वेरिएबल्स उसमें डिफाइंड हैं, वो सब यहाँ पे आपको दिखा रहा है एक लिस्ट की फॉर्म में. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल देखो साइन भी है यहाँ पे. हियर POW फंक्शन इज ऑल्सो हियर, seal function is also here. So there are many more functions in math module you can use as per your requirement from this module. So this was a brief introduction about math module. For string functions, I have already made a YouTube video for the string functions, and that was in revision tour, I think part 4 or part 3 there is. एक बार आपने उसको जरूर देखना है string functions के लिए. I will be explaining in our next topic. अगर कोई string function उसमें रह गया है, then I will be explaining it in our next topic. Otherwise we will not be seeing any string function specially. So our topic